Hi, I'm Sarah James and I'm planning on going to the Netherlands and Italy to look at poultry muck processing because we are currently a beef, sheep and poultry farmer.
Hello, my name is Eric Evans. I farm in North Pembrokeshire. I'm planning to go to northern Italy to a care farm that I've rehabilitated and helped over 26,000 in the 40 years that they've been in existence.
My name is Lee Pritchard. I'm a beef and sheep farmer from Merthyr Tydfil and I'm planning an exchange to Scotland to learn more about paddock grazing systems instead of set stocking systems.
I'm Matt Swarbrick. I run an ecological based, quite diverse livestock and tourism based farm in northwest Wales. For the management exchange opportunity, I've chosen to go to a farm called Ridgedale, which is in Sweden. They've done an incredible job of taking a 10-hectare farm and now employing 8 people on that farm. And I'm really interested in looking at the general kind of holistic management and the whole bigger picture there. But in particular, they've got a really profitable and good market garden system and a really good pastured egg system, which I'm interested in.
Enw fi Hywel Morgan. Fi'n ffarmo defaid a gwartheg ar y mynydde Germadfau. Fi'n golygu trefelu I Ffrainc, Sweden a Lloegr. Fi'n mynd I Sweden I dysgu fwy bwyti'r holistic management. Mynd I Ffrainc I dysgu fwy bwyti'r ffarmo yn organig. A mynd lan I Lloegr I mynd I weld Cyswllt Seed Company a ble mae ffarm gyda nhw yn neud fwy o herbal ley system.
Hello, my name is Rhys Davis, a dairy farmer from Flintshire. I'm interested in the management exchange to go over to the Republic of Ireland to look at their estimated breeding index and how farmers in Ireland have been using the index to improve the productivity of the herds over in Ireland.
Gyfnewid Rheolaeth Jones. Dwi'n ffarmio derwyll Amiangel ger Corwen, ffarm beef, defed a ieir. Dwi'n gobeithio wneud management exchange a mynd I gwledydd fel Denmark, Sweden a Norwe I gweld sut mae cynnyrchu wyau ond hefyd ddim yn pelydru'r ymgylchedd efo'r ammonium levels.
My name's Chris Hughes and I live here at Coed Pwllhacca, Builth Wales, and we run a training company for land-based industries, including agriculture and forestry. We've got the chance of going to Austria at the moment to look at some small-scale timber extraction machinery.